Hello. Hi everyone. Today I want to show you album which I made for my friends who will have in family wedding. So that is the wedding album. Paper I use, it's collection from Lemon of Craft and collection have name Serenity. Some wedding pair I cut from different paper. So that is the cover, spine and back side. Okay, let's see what I did inside. On back of front I made waterfall for many photos. Opposite is pocket with two photo mat. Next page have that flap closed with that ribbon, and I fussy cut that pair and put on front. I added that butterfly, and when I open flap we can slide something here, something like message, and here is place for big photo. Next page is something I made, something like unique. Okay, here is some belt. When I open the belt, here is folding paper for many photos. So how it's open? First that 2 pages, then 2 pages, and then when we turn we have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 is 7. It's 13 photos can hold that, and we just pull this inside, and to not flew too much I close that belly band. So I made this first time. I think it's a very good idea. So see next page. It's just okay, what I was thinking. That can be for both how they met each other, how they laugh, fall in love. Then is some wedding. So, and I don't open this page. So it's like for her and for him photos. Then these 13 pages for guests, and here it's ceremony where she put rings on the hands. So it's photo mat and also photo mat here. And here is when she put bouquet to other girls. It's tradition. Okay, and then is something for eating. First cheers, and here they can put also for photos, 5 actually, and this I can't close. I have to little bit hold this up. Okay. And here, when they cut first time the wedding cake, so again is for 5 photos. Okay, this I put so sticky. Okay, next page is finished. So some wedding when they dancing, first dance for daddy, for guest, and here I made some 3D envelope. They can put photos they needed. Okay, so that is my wedding album. I hope I inspire you, and I really believe my friends will be happy about that wedding album. Thank you very much to visit my channel. Your comment really support my imagination, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.